How to fix Instagram login error, sorry, something went wrong problem. So if you want to fix the Instagram login error, sorry, something went wrong problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store. So go with your Play Store or App Store and then go with the search. Under search, you need to search for Instagram. Once you search, now you may have the update option. So if you have update, then simply go with update instead of this open. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is simply press and hold on to your Instagram application and then go with app info. Once you're here on the app info, now you need to go with the permissions and make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions like camera, contacts, location, microphone, notifications, photos and videos, phone, and everything. Once you've allowed that, now you need to go and scroll down and tap on storage and cache and go with clear cache. Once you clear your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is simply restart your device. And after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But sometimes Instagram might be down. So you can simply go with your browser, Google or Chrome, anything that you're comfortable with, any browser, and then search for Instagram down detector. And here go with the first website. And here you will be able to know if Instagram is down lately, because if it's down, then you might have that problem. So make sure Instagram is not down, but if it is, then you can simply wait for 24 hours, and after waiting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your Instagram login error. Sorry, something went wrong. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.